Hello guys, so this is BTCUSD and I want to do a short analysis with you to give you my perspective on BTCUSD, where I want to see price retrace to. So I will be using higher time frame. If you look at the weekly time frame, you could see that price has been trending up, and upon this third touch of a trend line, you see we have a multiple rejection here. Now BTC is dropping, and where is it dropping to? Let's use the concept of let's use SMC concept to analyze this. Let's use breaker block. You see, this is weekly, daily, directional bias. Then I'll move to 4 hour. So I will use the point of interest. I will use order block and breaker block, and the liquidity will be inducement and trendline liquidity. So let's continue. This is a breaker. Price broke it, and whenever price breaks a breaker, we need an inducement to take a buy. If a breaker price breaks to the top, we need an inducement to take a buy. Let me use the horizontal line. This is a breaker block. Price respected it, and this is the inducement it gave. This was the inducement. This is the weekly time frame, bear in mind. And also after breaking this high, price respected this breaker. It made use of this breaker block. Here's this breaker block, making this guy as the inducement. So now we've broken this high. This is the breakout structure we have, and we've not had any breaker block mitigation. So now this becomes the inducement. This becomes the inducement, and expect a breaker here. This is a breaker. Let me go to the daily. Let me do something here. Let me continue with the break. So we have a breakout structure over there, and markets made use of this breaker block, internal breaker block, and then this becomes the inducement. Now what do we have? We also have a breakout structure here. And this breaker is respected. So it seems all the breakers are respected with the exception of this. So let me clear the chart and give you a clean outlook. So now we want to use trend line, and then yes, we want to use trend line. If we get here, if we mark here, we see here is what the trend line liquidity. We've broken the trend line, we've retested it. So what are we doing? We are pushing to the downside. After all this breakout structure, after all these double breakout structures, market has respected this breaker block, market has respected this breaker block. Whenever you see a trend line liquidity, any other block here seems to be weak, so we don't take other blocks or breaker blocks from a trend line liquidity. So other I'll be looking for is sell opportunities, much more sell opportunities until price come and clear this trend line, until price clear the trend line liquidity, and the trend line liquidity will land on a breaker block. This breaker block is left unmitigated. Let me use horizontal line so it becomes very clear. Yes, so we have an inducement to this area. We have an inducement which is more like even equal high liquidity, equal lows. So if I will be taking any trade, any buy trade, I should expect price to come to 73,766 on BTCUSD before I would take any buy. Let me try and extend the trend line and see something. So this is it. So BTC is looking bearish. It's looking bearish right now. Let me go to 4 hour to give you the trade I missed. This sell trade, I was supposed to take this sell trade. It was very simple. It was very, very simple. You know, we price has been trending down, creating lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we had a breaker block here. That price market didn't respect. So here is our inducement liquidity. I saw this, but I couldn't take that trade. So if I am to swing this trade, I should have taken this trade and swing it till we clear all this trend line liquidity. You see that it would have been very huge, but nevertheless, it's not over. I will look for sell opportunities. Any pullback that price will provide will be a sell opportunity for me. Right now, what I know is we've taken this low. We have a double break of structure to the downside. So any pullback, this becomes the inducement liquidity for me, and a breaker block. Perhaps if price makes any pullback, here will be where I'll be taking a sell, because now we are confirmed bearish. Here is where I'll be taking a sell, and then target maybe here. Target here. For the meantime, I'll be taking 1:6 risk to reward, or either 5 or 6 till we get to our destination. I don't want this video to be too long, so this is BTCUSD outlook and what I'm expecting to do on BTC. Now I'm no more looking for buys. It's sales opportunities I'll be interested in to take. So here will be my entry, my stop loss, and my take profit. Now I have a double breakout structure. Then the pullback that it made was this, which is the inducement, and now I have a breakout block here. So here is where I will take a sell if price makes any retracement to, let's say if we have this, here is where I will take a sell and target here. So a brief one on BTCUSD. Overall, I'll be expecting price to drop to this zone, 73,767. That's a short one on BTC. I hope you guys have learned something. Like this video, share and comment, and also follow me. All right, peace.